Yeah, we're here in Dodge City. Couldn't find Matt Dillon at all, so we're leaving. So here's Dodge City something. Maybe municipal. It says Amtrak building. All right. And then
who's this guy?
I don't know. Some guy standing around.
Here, this looks cool.
Yeah, this is the one.
This looks like the place where you... Where's the hitching post, Dave?
I think they took him out.
Oh.
I think you're out of luck, Rick.
Oh, damn. Oh, welcome. First Avenue.
All right, Dodge City. You know, I think if we ask around looking for Matt Dillon, I don't think we'll find him.
Probably not.
Yeah, this is it.
I'm looking for dates on a cornerstone, but I don't see anything.
I don't see anything. There's something here. What's that say? Simpson, no date.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.
There's a big moo cow over here with horns.
Yeah, big one. Let's
There's
see.
a historical marker
right
there.
Here. Let's turn right here.
Yeah, turn
Oh,
right.
yeah, this is better.
Okay. A little bumpy, but
It's okay. It's cobblestones. It's good. All right, Dodge City.
West Coast Plaza, sure.
Western wear.
That's it.
Well, look at them gowns there.
Hey, look at that.
You gotta get a shot of those.
Yeah. All the girls would be envy about that. Look at that. Yeah.
Western wear.
All right.
That's cool.
Trinity Art Center.
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, let's go down one more here, and
Down.
then, yeah, I think that's fine, and then we'll come back the other way and we can hit the road. All right, well, here is Dodge City for you uninitiated types. Is there a date? No date. Oh, it said 19 something. I missed it. Bummer. Let's go left here.
I like the cobblestone streets.
Yeah, the cobblestone streets are cool here.
I grew up in a house on a cobblestone street in Beefalo. Oh, here's Mario standing on the corner down here.
Well, it's somebody. He's tied down, I guess so. The wind will blow him down.
I like his boots.
Yeah. I think he's supposed to hold something, but I don't think he's holding it.
Holding the weight of the earth in his hands.
Yeah. Well, this is Tour de la Dodge City.
Boot Hill Resource Center.
Yeah, there's Boot Hill Distillery up there on the corner.
I think there's more stuff to the left, Dave. Another
Think so? Okay, we'll go down to the left then. This is our travel log. Oh man, you know, we could have stayed in this hotel.
The Redbeard Coffee Company?
Yeah.
Established in 2017.
Yeah.
It ain't the wolf.
No. This. All right. I think that's where we were coming. Uh-oh. Sun's our enemy today. Going this way.
Nuevo Look Hair Salon.
Huh.
Oh, snake killer.
That's pretty good.
These are all new businesses.
It's old buildings. So
Old buildings,
obviously.
new business. Yeah, I mean, those are old buildings.
Yeah.
Phew. Very
All
cool.
right. Well, it deserves a stop sign here.
Yogi's Vape.
Don't want you to be running red lights anymore. You can turn right here and get out. Oh, you can't either.
No,
you
I
can't.
gotta go. I'm looking for a hole. I think this next one
There's
is.
another left turn down there. There's more city.
Is there? Okay, good. We'll go down and make a left. You talking down?
You
Down
straight?
one?
You could go down left here and then turn right, I think. 'cause
Okay,
that's on
we'll
the
do that. You're clear on the
Okay.
right. All right. And then ganz rechts gehen.
Right here.
Yes, sir. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah, some huge buildings.
Got a guy. I'm gonna let him go by.
That's right, he's my local.
100.
Oh, he wants the park. I'll be.
We're on Gunsmoke.
All right. We're doing this now.
All right.
Ford County Government Center.
Yeah. That's fine. Left or right, Brother Lee?
I would go left, but I don't know if there's anything left. You're good.
You see what's coming here?
Yeah, let's see.
Or you're good on the right. We can go up there a little bit and then flip a U-ey.
They just didn't put big markers on the corner.
Well, this is all the new stuff I'm thinking.
Yeah. First press.
More cobblestone than I expected.
Yeah, this is great road. Road's cobblestone,
There's the
so
old one.
it's pretty cool. Big church.
Sacred Heart Cathedral.
Yes, sir.
Sacred
Oh,
Heart
here's a
Cathedral School.
period house. Pretty cool looking.
Chancellery.
Here's some old places.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yep, I think we can.
Turn around and head out.
Yes, sir.
All right. Nope, can't. That's a one-way.
Yeah.
Go wrong way. Maybe this way. I'm thinking, yeah, okay.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Then we one way to the left, First Street.
Yep. Back out to Maine.
Good on the right.
Different kind of architecture, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Little mix of everything.
Yeah.
Colonial to Spanish to whatever. You count the chimneys in places like this.
Yeah.
Is that a microsite up there with a solar panel?
Those lights.
Yeah. For the parking lights.
Looks like
There's
the
a
cop shop.
police station.
Yep. Becky's bail bonds, yeah.
Right next to the police station.
Yeah. Oof.
Yeah, little corn cobby.
Yeah, I would say,
Left.
yeah, go left. I think you're in Transformers. Looks like it.
Yeah, those are monsters.
We're northeast of Dodge City now. Let's have a look around. An Offferle. Offrel.
Offroller.
This is the little town of Offrel.
good view.
It's quite off-road, actually.
Yeah, it's an off-road place. There's one house
Why that
here.
doesn't work out for me.
Yeah, you can see a nice farmhouse. Been here a couple days. Kind of cool.
Yeah.
We're just in the town of Kingsley. Looks like a good-sized town. Nav takes us right through. This is about it.
Rags to riches.
I love this design here with the chimney out of the very tippy top.
Yeah.
That's about it. Kingsley, Kansas. All right, Highway 50, Northeast Kansas here. Northeast heading in Kansas, heading to Emporia. Flicking around here. Coming into the next little town here. Not sure what it is yet. Hold tight. It's windy. All right, what do we got here? All right, Maxville. We're in Maxville, Kansas here now.
1886.
Yeah, 1886. There's the jerk rope. Yeah, it looks like it's been here a while. There's some older homes here. There's an old beauty.
It's a nice looking place.
We're northeast of Hutchinson now on Highway 50. Let's have a look around. Just coming into the town of Burton now. Not to be confused with Richard. Wow, hey, look at that.
There you go.
Yoders, concrete ornamental stuff. How cool is that?
It's not cast, it looks like.
That's about it. Looks like Halstead's next at 11 miles. Hey, good old Bart. It's repairing cars.
There's some old signs.
Huh. Just going by the city of Newton now. We're going to go along the south side and then turn north. Just going through the town of Walton now. Got their green elevator. Little town, Main Street's over there. A couple rock buildings. Just a bump along the road.
Whoa!
Wow, I was right. Jeez Louise.
Did I read that right? Did it say stink on the front of that cow?
I think it did, actually.
Oh, God. That's a well-kept farm.
Yeah, very nice. Yep, we just had a Freddy's lunch. If you you have not had Freddy's, go find one and have lunch. It's pretty good. Just making our way through Emporia, Kansas now, headed up north on 35. Looks like a haunted house.
Wow, that's cool.
We're just up here on Interstate 35 North, heading up. This will be our last leg here, heading up to OP.
Welcome to beautiful downtown Olathe.
We're getting close now. Here in Overland Park, Kansas. We're about done for the day. It's been a good run here back home. This is where Rick lives, in this city. And we're getting there. Yep, many bugs gave their life for this trip. We made it back to Kansas City here. This is the Model Y, my Model Y. It's been a great trip. We've been out on the road for almost 8 days now. So it's been a good trip all the way to see a lot of things, especially Ground Zero. Thanks for watching this series. I'll be heading down to Tulsa, Oklahoma to the Claremore Ham Fest this Saturday. So if you're a ham and you know where Claremore, Oklahoma Ham Fest is, you'll probably see me. If you like this series, go ahead and click the like, and I ask you if you would, please subscribe. There's a lot more content going. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.